We are at the sale barn where all the bison are going to come into the sale barn today, and we're going to get ready for our sale tomorrow. So here's the first trailer for today. It's got 32 cows in it. So we're going to unload these cows, work them one at a time, and get them sorted out in the pens. It takes a lot of work to sort these animals out and work them properly and safely and handle them. Every one of these people that are helping through this are members of the Bison Association or just volunteers, family, and friends.